guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the ARIES Fender flares and inner fender liners. These fender flares are really great if you're looking for something that adds a little style to your Jeep, but also functionality. Because of the extra clearance compared to OE, you have more space to add bigger tires without having to add a lift. These are also really great for taking off-road because of that extra clearance. The flares featured on this Jeep is the black powder coat finish that ARIES offers, which is really great if you're looking for something that kind of disguises that everyday dirt and grime and minor scratches. These flares are also available in a raw paintable finish, which is really great if you're looking for something that you can customize. In addition to the fender flares, ARIES offers the inner fender liners, which are great for protecting your engine compartment from water, mud, and debris. These do replace your factory liners, and they're a welded aluminum construction, so they're really strong, lightweight, and rust-free. As we're taking a look at the installation, we would rate this an 8 out of 10 on the difficulty scale, and it'll take you about 8 hours to complete the front and the back fender flares and liners. One thing to keep in mind with this is there's probably going to be some drilling required, so just make sure you have those tools accessible. Also, you'll probably want to have a friend help you out, especially when it comes to bolting on the fender flare and the liner together. You'll notice on this build that we rerouted the turn signal into the flare using a kit from ARIES, but ARIES also offers a bumper that has provisions for the driving light and the turn signal. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the ARIES fender flares and inner fender liners. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of these products. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.